Hi, welcome to this video. You can easily create custom WhatsApp stickers right inside the app or using your phone's built-in cutout features. Now, the quickest method depends on whether you want to use WhatsApp's native sticker maker or the iPhone Samsung copy-paste trick, right? Now, let's start with the first method, using the WhatsApp built-in sticker maker, right? So I'm gonna just click the blank here just to see there's like a paper icon. Gonna just tap it, and here I'm gonna be able to tap create sticker. Choose your photo, right? And automatically WhatsApp will create that sticker, right? And hit send. Now the second method is using the iPhone's built-in feature. So let me go back to my screen. Go ahead to the photo album, right? Choose your photo. Let's say this one. I'm gonna hold the person's body or face, and just keep your finger hanging, and use the other finger to go back. Right? Go ahead to WhatsApp again, and just drop it here, and automatically they will create a new sticker. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.